Let's welcome another budget-friendly phone into Boost Mobile Galaxy A series called Samsung Galaxy A03s. This phone is an upgrade to the Samsung Galaxy A02s. I already did the unboxing of this phone. Feel free to watch, the link is in the description, and at the end of this video we will compare both phones just to understand the difference between these two phones. So Samsung Galaxy A03s is a pack of all basic specs and features at a very low price. So in this video we are going to unbox this phone. Just came into Boost Mobile and we'll talk about its specifications and features in detail. Must watch this video till the end to find out the all about this phone, so stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's open the box and complete the initial setup quickly. The box is open and initial setup is completed already. This phone comes in a black color, large display, Type-C charging port, one external speaker, the headphone jack, and if you look on the right side, these are the volume keys and the power button with the fingerprint scanner built in. And the left side we have a SIM slot and SD card. If you look at the back side of the phone, it's a plastic body, matte finished with the straight lines on it, vertical camera setup with the flashlight. So this phone doesn't come with the power adapter, you guys have to purchase it separately, but comes with Type-C charging cable, SIM card tool, and manual to read. If we talk about its screen, it's a 6.5-inch HD LCD, which is pretty big with a standard 720p resolution. It's not a full screen display though, you will see plenty of space unused on the edges of the screen while you are watching any video. So here on top is a drop notch for 5 megapixel selfie camera. Now let's play a video on this phone to see the screen resolution and the sound quality of the speaker. So stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I opened up the box already and initial setup is HD display giving you great resolution even though it's 720p. And as I said, it's not a full screen display. You can see plenty of space left on the edges of the screen, and the speaker sounds good as compared to its price. It's not bad. Now let's check its processor, RAM, and built-in storage. Always look into these three things if you want to buy a fast phone. This phone got a MediaTek Helio P35 octa-core processor with 3 GB of RAM, which are the best things to get at this price. We will talk about its price and promos at the end of this video. As I'm using this phone, it's running smooth, fast enough while I'm doing multitasking too. So built-in storage of this phone is a problem. For those customers who want to download a lot of apps and shoot videos, because 32 GB is very low storage and 38% of that is gone in the initial setup already. So consider adding external SD card at some point, and this phone supports up to 1 terabyte external SD card, and Android version of this one is 11. The low budget phone will give you the standard camera setup. It has 13 megapixels main camera, wide angle and macro cameras are 2 megapixels each, 5 megapixels selfie camera, at least 48 megapixels main camera, and 8 megapixels selfie camera should be your target if you guys love to take selfies and a lot of photos. Battery is big in this phone, 5000 milliamps with up to 40 hours talk time. Fast charging capable, but you have to buy a power adapter separately, and I think it should be at least 15-watt adapter to charge this phone quickly. This phone comes with all options regarding security. It comes with the swipe, pattern, pin, password and biometric options such as fingerprint sensor and face recognition. Biometric options usually comes in second tier phones such as Galaxy A13 5G, but Samsung gave it in this phone, which is an awesome thing. It's time to talk about its price and current promotions. I was offered this phone for $120 MSRP, $60 for a new line or eligible upgrade customer, $15 for adding another line into family plan, and free for port-in customers. Always consider the current price and promotions because it changes frequently. If we compare Samsung Galaxy A03s with its previous model A02s, both phones are almost the same except few things which make Samsung Galaxy A03s faster than A02s, such as 3 GB of RAM instead of 2, Android version 11 as compared to 10, and fingerprint scanner which A02s doesn't have. So by using both phones I can feel the better processing speed on Samsung Galaxy A03s than the A02s. The price and promos are almost the same. At the end of this video, let's spend some time and decide if this one is a better option to go for it or not. If anyone wants to buy a phone for work where photos and videos are involved, multitasking is the requirement, big storage is need, then definitely look for one step up such as Samsung Galaxy A13 5G. Other than that, this phone is not a bad option for a regular usage. So that's all. I hope you guys like this video. Please share your thoughts regarding this phone and my video in the comment section. Subscribe my channel so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.